the SciMath videos again. I hope you have subscribed to this channel, SciMath videos. If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, or else this video will continue to be dark. No, this video is dark today because we are going to do an experiment in the dark itself. An experiment to capture Marana. Iga, I will bring a lights close to you in this dark. Can you see this light coming towards you? Can you see? Coming. Again, going. Can you see this light? On and off. Okay. This light is coming out from a very unusual thing, which very difficult to imagine for you. It is not any light source I'm using. I'm not using any light source, but this is coming out from a very unusual source. So let us check what it is. Let's go in. What is that unusual source? That was, just a remote. ನಿಮ್ಮ TV remote. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಲೈಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ? Yes, ಲೈಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. It was from this TV remotes. Now you go to your home, take your TV remote and check whether light comes. I can't see any light now actually. But how come it's coming in camera? Yes, the science behind that is your camera. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಏನಿದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ, ಅದು ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. It can also detect infrared rays, your camera. Okay, we know the light is been divided into number of ranges. Okay, there are many waves around us, the radio waves, microwaves, we have ultraviolet rays. Similarly, what we can see is just in the range of visible light. That is what we can see. We humans cannot see infrared rays, we can't see X-rays, we can't see ultraviolet rays. But our camera can detect infrared also. That is why we are able to see these flashing lights from TV remote in your camera, but not actually when you see, you can't see. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾರೆಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ if the TV remote is working or not, how do you check? Let's use this experiment and see. If the lights are coming, that means your TV remote are working. Lights are not coming, that means there will be some problem with the remote. Battery ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, remote problem ಇರಬಹುದು. So this is a fun experiment. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel SciMath videos.